Welcome to Design Coach with Repsketch. In this video, I will show you how to design a cropped t-shirt using Repsketch. We'll create a cropped t-shirt sketch by repurposing one of our existing full-length t-shirt sketches to expedite the process. To do that, we'll search for the t-shirt tag here in the search bar on our landing page. Repsketch provides this extensive library of vector-ready designs created by our community. I'll use this women's t-shirt design and click on the Edit button here. So first of all, let's ungroup our design objects by using this ungroup option at the bottom. We'll now edit the bodice with the Edit Group tool from the bottom. Remove the extra nodes on either sides by double-clicking on the object to activate nodes. Select the object and reduce t-shirt length as desired for a cropped t-shirt. Now bring along the bottom hem and stitch lines on top of the t-shirt. Get rid of the extra stroke lines, which is no more required using this Remove Object tool from the left toolbar. Now, using Stop Edit Group, we'll stop editing body of t-shirt. Great! Now we'll adjust all the design objects, that is the body and both the sleeves. To finish off, we'll now group our design objects and save the design. And that's it. Here's how Repsketch empowers your vector design skills in the most simplified manner.